What up, athletes? Whoop, whoop. All right, let's do this. Today we're talking about the tangent ratio. Good times. Suppose you wanted to know the height of a tree, but that it was too tall to measure. How could you figure it out? Well, it turns out we have this thing called the tangent ratio that as long as I know the distance and I know the angle measure, I can calculate the height. We're going to get into this. This problem, as well as many others, may be solved using this tangent ratio. Tangent is tangent of theta is the leg opposite theta divided by the leg adjacent to theta. In other words, if I'm looking at remember this is the angle theta, right? Right here, this means theta. My tangent of theta is equal to the opposite, right? That opposite divided by adjacent, or A over B. So, how are we going to use this? First of all, we're going to need our calculator to use the tangent function. On my calculator, it looks like, where's tangent? Tangent's right here. But there's a little warning right here. Before you use the tangent function, it needs to be on, sorry, I just thought of something in my head. Before you use the tangent function, it really has to be on degrees, not radians. So you want to make sure it says using the calculator, the value of the tangent of 62 is approximately 1.88. So let's check that out just to make sure we're on the right mode. On clear, tangent of 62 equals 1.88. So I know I'm in degrees. So check that out. Make sure you have it. All right, without further ado, let's get into this. If I'm looking right here, what does it say? It says find the tangent ratio of angle Q. All right, well, the tangent ratio, remember, it's opposite over adjacent, so it's going to equal 8 over 6, which simplifies to 4/3. It just asked me for the ratio, so I can leave it like that. All right. For the following problems, find the unknown length of leg X. So here's what I'm going to do. This is my angle, right? This is my opposite. Here's my adjacent. I'm going to say the tangent of 17 degrees is equal to my 3 over x, right? And we're going to use this just like a ratio. So what do? I'm going to say, all right, cross multiply, and tangent 17x equals 3 times 1, which is just 3. Now I want x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by the tangent of 17. And the reason why I left it like this is now I'm just going to plug this into a calculator. I'm just going to say, all right, what is, click there, 3 divided by, and I'm going to put it in parentheses, the tangent of 17. You want to close off both those parentheses there. Boom, what do I get? Approximately 9 point, does it say to round it to anything? Yeah, I'm going to say just approximately 9.81. So x approximately equals 9.81. Boom. All right. So now, which angle do I want to take the tangent of right here? I have 35 and 55. Okay. So if this is 35 and 55 degrees, I need to know which one gives me an opposite over adjacent. Well, let's see this one. If I do this angle, then that's going to be my opposite, and there's my adjacent. If I use this angle, that's going to be my opposite, and that's going to be my adjacent. They should come out with the same answer. So it's up to you to determine which one you want to use. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to use tangent 35 is equal to my opposite, which is my 4 over my adjacent, which is x. That can be over 1, 2. And then I'm going to cross multiply, right? So I'm going to have tangent 35 times x is equal to 4. So divide both sides by the tangent of 35. And what do I get? I get that x is approximately 4 divided by the tangent of 35. 4 divided by the tangent of 35. Let's see what happens. That's approximately 5.71, I think, right? What I saw there? 5.71. Yeah. So there we go. All right. You guys have enough information. Go ahead and solve this. Let's see. Do you want to get into any more of these? They're all pretty much the same, repeated. Just make sure you follow directions. You have a good packet here. We'll hit questions as they arise. But I think that opens up the rest for you. So with that said, you ready? Peace out. Good tangent problem.